Last Sunday, I called up a friend and told her today we going to the beach. We going to the water. I needed it. I called her at like 7 o'clock that morning because I woke up and I felt led to do some cleansing of my soul and of myself. And I've had a previous experience at a beach a few years ago where I was at a really low place in my life, and I ended up being able to spend some time at the beach. And when I went, I had this very good experience when I went into the water and I came out and I rested on the sand. And when I came back home, I was different. I was different. And I needed that today. So that's what we came to the beach for. We brought chairs, we brought notebooks, towels, pens, and we wrote out some thoughts. We prayed first. We talked about the things that we needed to let go. Then we wrote it out, and then we gave it to the ocean, and then we prayed again. And it was beautiful. And this was at the Honeymoon Beach in Clearwater, Florida. And it's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful beach. It does cost to go there. It's not far from where I'm at, but to actually access the beach, it does take about an hour because it's one way in, one way out. However, once you get in, there's plenty of parking. There's pavilions all along the beach that offer restrooms where you can purchase souvenirs and restaurants where you can sit and eat. And on this day, after we went ahead and did everything that we wanted to do, we just ended up walking along the beach, which honestly, for me to live in Florida, it's ridiculous how much I do not get out to the beach. And I actually said I'm gonna start going because where I live, there are beautiful beaches all along where I live within an hour, and it's like really no reason to not get out and enjoy God's earth that He's blessed us with fresh air, beautiful beaches, beautiful water. My skin felt amazing when I came out of the water. And even for the rest of the day, I just really felt really good. And I did feel cleansed. And I was finally able to identify some things in my life that I knew I needed to let go. And it felt good to make that conscious decision to do just that.
It looks cute from a distance, but no. So I think I'm going to sit down.
Okay. You got it?
I think so. No. Why is like a long way down to sit down?
Because it is.
I need to steadily being creeped out. This is what she had me sitting on while I'm trying to tell her to take a picture. What is this, Jesus? What is it? This? Ew. I know this is nature, God. I know it is, but it's ugly.